You're driving in the rain, slam on the brakes, and instead of stopping, your wheels lock up. That's exactly what can happen if your ABS system fails. So when that light shows up on your dash, what does it mean? First step, scan your car with an OBD2 scanner. If there are codes stored, that's your starting point. But what if no codes pop up and you've already fixed something and the ABS light is still on? That's when you need to dig deeper. Let me show you the most common causes you should check next. The first cause is a faulty wheel speed sensor. The purpose of the wheel speed sensor is to measure how fast each wheel is spinning and send that data to the ABS control module. If one or more sensors fail, the ABS module won't know the true rotation of the wheels. When that happens, the ABS system usually shuts itself off as a safety measure, and that's when the ABS warning light pops up on your dashboard. Sometimes, the wheel speed sensor itself can be good, but if there's damage to the wire or connector, it can also mess with the signal. The second cause is a bad ABS Reflector wheel. Some cars use a metal ring with teeth near the wheel hub to help the sensor read the speed. If that ring cracks or gets rusty, it can throw off readings and trigger the ABS light. The third cause is low brake fluid. If the brake fluid gets too low, it can turn off the ABS system. Some possible leaks could be coming from the brake lines, master cylinder, calipers, or wheel cylinders. The fourth cause is a bad relay or blown ABS fuse. If there's an issue with the electrical system, the ABS fuse may blow to protect the circuit from damage. Also, a faulty relay in the ABS circuit can prevent power from reaching the system and trigger the ABS warning light. The fifth cause is a faulty ABS module or hydraulic pump. These are the brains and heart of the ABS system. If the module fails or the pump motor burns out, it can't control brake pressure and you'll lose the ABS function. The next cause is a faulty brake light switch. The brake light switch is usually mounted near the brake pedal assembly and tells the ABS module and ECM when you're pressing on the brakes. If it fails, the ABS may not receive the correct signal and trigger the light. The last possible cause could be rust buildup around the wheel speed sensor. If rust forms between the sensor and the surface, it could increase the gap too much, causing a weak or inaccurate signal. This could trigger the ABS light to turn on. I appreciate you all for watching this video. If you gained value, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.